things started by putting a video on the timeline. Let's come out here and let's add something. This open movie, and we'll just need to use a few seconds of it. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And let's add another video track so we can put the animation on top. Okay, next we need an animation. You can go out to Lottie Files and get some free animations. Okay, let's say pick one that you like. Let's say you like this one, and check the license on it to make sure it's free for you to use. Sometimes you need to give a credit, and you can download it in JSON format. So yeah, it supports JSON and RAR JSON files. So I already have one downloaded. Let's go to get it. And documents, animations. And it's kind of like this thinking guy emoji. And lay that down on the timeline. And now most of these animations are going to have a transparent background. So that's nice. And so you can see, yeah, the video underneath. And it's overlaying, quite nicely. And we can work with it just like it's a normal video. For instance, maybe I don't want it to be quite that long. I can trim it out like this. And we can fade it in. If you double click the throbber here, you can make it 1 second long. Or you can drag it to whatever you want, like longer. And let's preview that. Okay, looking good. Maybe a bit long. Okay, we could also apply Shotcut filters on top of it. So for instance, let's go to size, position, and rotate. And let's move this guy up into the corner, just like that. And now it fades in. So we can already do a little bit of work with the animation right here in Shotcut without having to open up the Glaxtamate editor, that is. And we can export this now. And take a look at this work. You see it renders and exports.